Today we ordered DIY ceramic coating kit to give our vehicle the all-new look.
Box contains one spray bottle of 9H base coat and a bottle of 9H ceramic coating with the applicator pad and one microfiber cloth. Step 1. Spray base coat on the vehicle and clean it with microfiber cloth. Step 2. Take the small cloth comes with the box and wrap it on the applicator pad. Now add few drops of 9H ceramic coating on the pad and apply it on the vehicle. And clean it with microfiber cloth. Apply the same process on whole body.
Give your vehicle the new look with Motorprotek DIY coating kit. Link in bio.